This stock has turned into a buy and hold for me. And why am I buying and holding it? Because I'm very bullish on their future. One, I like the CEO. He talks about his company. He's very vocal. He's the youngest billionaire ever. He has an awesome product that I think will revolutionize the EV industry. And people call him the next Elon Musk. So what company am I talking about? Luminar Technologies, ticker symbol LAZR. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you exactly why I'm bullish on them and why they're one of my biggest holdings right now. Before I do that though, don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're new to the channel. If you like stocks, if you like thinking better, if you like mindset, if you like understanding how to just win in different areas of life, then follow the journey. If you want more info on all of this and want quicker updates and want to have more of a conversation in a private Discord with an amazing group of people, check the Patreon down below. $7 a month, literally 23 cents a day. I'm not charging you crazy prices like a lot of other people, so check that out when you can. But I provide as much value, if not more value. Look at how beautiful this looks right here. LAZR has been trading on this trend line, right? So I'm gonna explain this trend line, I'm gonna explain the stochastic, I'm gonna explain the RSI for you. The whole goal is for you to learn, okay? So if you learned anything from my channel so far, drop a like, it's free, would always appreciate that. But let's talk about this trend line. You can see that this has tested 3 times already, and it is slowly coming down, right? And I don't have the Fibonacci's on here right now, but if you take a Fibonacci from this low right here, bring it up to the high, this yellow line lines up exactly with the 786 level. So I'll just tell you on my end, really, what price would that be? What's like the worst case scenario in my head right now for LAZR? And that is about $6.52. So right where I bought in before. My first purchase was at $6.49. Right down there, I wrote it up. I sold a little bit and then it came down and I increased my share count a little more. But the majority of my bag I was holding. I didn't sell a whole lot, right? I was just kind of testing the waters, getting used to this stock. I've traded a lot of Palantir, Tesla, Mullen, DNA stock, DraftKings. I mean, there's so many stocks that we have won big on this year, except Mullen, but that's a waiting game. So yeah, this yellow trend line, we could definitely test it again. The problem is if we break this yellow trend line, I definitely could see us coming lower. So earnings is coming up on August 7th. The question is, what's gonna happen? I don't think there's gonna be any big movements before earnings, right? Because today's July 29th. We got August, the first week of August next week. So I think they're probably gonna keep us down here. Now, if we do come down and we test the 786 and we hold there for a couple days, being this yellow trend line, I do think we could have a good earnings. The reason I think that is the CEO says this will be their best year yet. It seems like things have happened when he says they're going to happen before. Again, I think he's very credible. He's into his company. He has a product with a lot of different partnerships already with vehicle companies. And the whole goal is to change driving using this technology for a vehicle to be able to see everything that's going on the road, on the side of the road, pretty much everywhere. So earnings is the next biggest thing in about a week and a half, and we will see what happens. Again, I've had price targets of about $8.50, but honestly, I have moved my price target a lot higher. I mean, you could definitely trade this stock as it comes up and down, but my new price target is about $9.28 to $9.40. And just to let you know, from where we're at today, if you started a dollar cost average into this stock, and let's say it does hit that price, that's about a 33% return on your money. Now, of course, this isn't financial advice, but if you could get 33% in even a matter of 12 months, that's an amazing return, right? I just made a video earlier today about Palantir, and I was telling people to buy in around $7, and you'd be up over 148% right now. I've traded Tesla. I bought it at 173, 177, sold it at 294, 296, I don't remember, and that was over like a 60, 70% return on my money, right? Then I obviously bought back in as it came back down because I'm bullish on these stocks in the long term, but there are some strategies you can use to make money, quick money, in the next coming weeks if you find the right trade setups, and we go over all of that in the Patreon, so check that out if you want to. And then also buy back in, increase your share count overall. That's really my style and how I like to do things. I'm not like a day trader. I don't trade, I don't buy and sell every single day. I'm more like, let's look at the next week, couple weeks. Here's a nice trade setup. let's get it. Again, we'll see what LAZR has to say on August 7th. It's going to be very interesting. I'll give you guys updates, so subscribe if you're a big fan of this stock, as I am a huge fan of this stock and I think it has huge upside potential in our future. Appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and we will see you on the next one.